Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker, and in this video we're doing an unboxing of a Tucker water-fed pole and how to properly set it up. Many might just like to remove the ends and try to get everything out of there, but everything's packed so tightly that it's going to be really difficult that way. So it's best to just take off both ends and then open up the box by removing the staples. So here we go. And here we have all the components that you'll need out of a complete water-fed pole. You have your 5/16 pole tubing along with your male and female quick connects, your Tucker water-fed brush, dual trim, 2 pencil jet brush along with the gooseneck Acme pole tip in case you want to use this as a pole for traditional tools. And then of course the water-fed pole itself. You can get your water-fed pole set up. First thing you want to do is take the end without the quick connects, and you're going to feed the pole tubing up into the pole itself. Make sure you have plenty pulled out to feed it through the gooseneck and the water-fed brush. Next part of setting up your water-fed pole is getting your water-fed brush and gooseneck ready. What you do is get it into the proper position for getting your brush on there. Next, we'll get the brush screwed onto the gooseneck. This is a Euro tip, male Euro tip on the gooseneck, and this is the female Euro socket. Once you have that tightened, you can get your T connected. Next, you'll get the pole. This is the pole that we already fed the water-fed pole tubing through. Next step, you're going to get the end of this pole, water-fed pole tubing, slide it through your gooseneck and connect it to your water-fed brush. You're going to open up your first clamp and then slide that into place. There you go. Now it's locked into place. Once you have your water-fed pole assembled, it is ready to use. Simply just connect it directly to your water-fed system here or to your Tucker hose reel. There you have it, how to assemble your water-fed pole out of the box. The pole used in the video was our Tucker Junior pole, but this applies to any of our complete water-fed poles, whether it be our Junior, our Bravo, Tucker 30, 40, or High Modulus 50. If you have any questions regarding setting up your water-fed pole or any other questions, certainly feel free to reach out to us. You can find all our contact information in the description of this video. Thank you and have a great day.